Oh my God. Listen, people. You know, when you order things online, I'm telling you, this is just a joke. And my kids are laughing me to scorn today, because I ordered these on a thing on Temu. And I was so excited, because I said I was going to do some Danny plants in the soil out there, but sometimes the little garden snakes come out of the soil. So I said I would buy pots and plant my cucumber and tomatoes like I did a couple of years ago. I planted them on the front porch and the steps. So I ordered these things on Temu, right? These little gardening tools. People, they come in like utensils for the table. They look at something them so little. Most of the kids were cracking up. They said, Mommy, what you going to do with those? I laughed today until I was crying. They said, Mommy, what you going to do with those little things? Listen, I'm telling you, it's too funny. The thing to shovel the soil and to rake up the stuff, I guess it could do for the little pots and pans. For the little pots. But guys, they said to me, it's a joke. No wonder the things are so cheap. I was so excited. I'm like, how are they going to be selling those things for that little bit? I think these are for $6.99 or something. And my daughter says, because there was a thing we were watching, this funny guy from Jamaica, I forgot his name. And then there was a commercial, there was a thing that came on with a girl who bought her curtains, man, and said she loved the color. She loved the color. When she opened it up, I think it was from Shein. I think it was from Shein she bought the curtains from. When she opened up the little curtain, let me tell you something, it was not like a handkerchief. It couldn't cover a window for nothing. Just a little something. So guys, just know your measurements so that when you order these things, that you're ordering the right measurements. Otherwise, you're going to get some toys. I'm telling you, these things are so small. I say I was cracking up when I saw the little bag neck. Because I had a set before, but they were big, big things to use. I saw these little things, but I'm telling you, I said, oh my God. But anyhow, these can be used in the little flower pots, I guess, to kind of mulch around around the roots of the plant. Guys, just know what you know your measurements. So when you order your stuff, you're getting the right thing. Don't just look at the pictures and order them. I'm telling you, because you're gonna get some interesting things. Oh boy, yeah, that's not my wasting my money. So I'm gonna try to use them still, but. Oh yeah, I tell you. I'm gonna try to use them. I stuck that one this one in the dirt. This one. But I'm telling you, they are so light and so. Oh my God. Yeah, I was trying this one in the flower pot. Light like cork. I'm telling you, just know your measurements. I just needed to share that so you guys can get a laugh out loud moment. I laughed today until I cried because my daughters were just killing me. And my little baby my little baby plaything is also Mommy's of aggression. I don't know, so I'm sure you guys have stories can share your other stuff when it come it was tiny. That's not what you expected at all. Have a good night, guys. I hope you get a good laugh out of this because we surely did. The kids were just killing me. My little baby tools for the gardening. Bye. Be good to yourselves.